Introducing our bathroom vanity LED mirror, a multifunctional and fabulous addition to your bathroom space. Anti-fog feature ensure you fog-free shower. Just simply press the anti-fog button before your shower and the mirror will quickly heat up and defog. It automatically switches off after 1 hour of use, controlled by smart touch buttons. You can adjust the brightness from normal to brightest with a 3-second press and easily switch the color temperature with a simple tap. Installing the mirror is a breeze, as it can be mounted vertically or horizontally using the mirror bracket and screws. This mirror boasts beveled edges that create a prismatic shine when reflecting light, adding a touch of luxury and elegance to any space. Thanks to the memory touch sensor, our copper-free silver mirror is environmentally friendly with a lower corrosion rate compared to normal silver mirrors used by most brands. You also have the option to use a plug for power or hardwire the wire to a wall switch. These lighting options provide the perfect ambience for makeup, skincare, shaving, or trying on clothes.